What's going on out there, my YouTube family? The Money Cube channel coming back at you, and today we're going to be talking about a penny stock. Yes, every now and then I will come at you with a penny stock video because I trade them, and you can definitely make money with penny stocks. This is Indo International, and as you can see here, Indo International is up 20% on the day. That is 20% on the day, even though as you can see here, it's trading right now at 12 cents a share. So I was trying to highlight that for you right there. Sorry. Okay, so we have 12 cents a share on the day, which overnight, sometimes in the overnight hours, I think it started going up and gaining ground. And as you can see, I'm gonna go back here. Okay, 8:30 this morning, it was trading at 10 cents, and it ended up at 12 cents. So I think it started going up because I think 20% of, I think that would have been like maybe a 3 cent increase. So if my math is right on that. So, but in any case, if you had $1,000 invested in Indo, you would now have $1,200. You would have had a $200 gain on the day. And so that's the power of a penny stock. They go, the money that you invest, the shares you buy, it's gonna go up or down, whatever that percentage amount is, it's going to go up by that much. That's the power of a fractional share of a stock, because you can buy now you can't buy a fraction of this stock because it's only 12 cents, but you can buy $1 worth, and $1 goes into 12 cents goes into $1 like 8 or 9 times. So you could buy a lot of shares of a penny stock, a whole lot of shares, regardless of your income level. And if you choose the right penny stock, you can definitely make bank. You can make some money on penny stocks. And one other thing on Indo, just so we're clear on what they do, it's a specialty. It's a pharmaceutical company with a considerable presence in pain management, urology, orthopedics, endocrinology, bariatrics, and others. It operates in 4 segments. I want to say it's based, don't quote me on this, I think it's based in China, but most of their business is done in the United States. So I think I'm right on that. But anyway, nevertheless, it's traded on the New York Stock Exchange. So it is a public stock. There you go. There are others. There are other penny stocks that every now and then will go on a run. Some of them can go on a 30-40% run in one day. And but what we're gonna do now is look at the movers and shakers on the day. All right, we have our biggest daily movers. We have TaskUs is up 37% on the day. Grow Generation is up 35%. And we have some that took a big dip, like LivePerson and Silvergate Capital. Now here's a big one, Lyft. They reported a big dip in earnings, and so their stock dropped 22% today. But Lyft could be a good buying opportunity. I'm just saying, I'm not telling you to buy it. Don't listen to anything I say, because this is not advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research before you invest in anything stock related or in crypto. So but I may look at swing trading this particular stock. Not sure yet, but I think I will do that. All right, so let's come out of that. Now let's look at a couple of more. Hims and Hers Health up 19%. Solar Edge up 19%. Robinhood, which is another trading platform that I use, it's down 19% on the day, and it Actually, it had a good run. I think about a week ago. Yeah, Market Watch reported that it had a run. I think they reported. Uh, I think they reported a loss. A dip, and it's still, but now it's come back to earth. So it's down 19% on the day. All right, so that's Robinhood Markets, and First Advantage up 18%, eHealth up 18%. So there were some big movers today. All right, so I want to say there were just as many big movers as, or maybe one or two more big winners today than losers or stocks that went down. But in any case, we're in a bear market. Just so you know, we're in a bear market. Most stocks are way down on the year, so I don't want to give anybody any hopes that we're turning around or going into a bull run. That's not the case right now. So be very aware of what you're doing if you choose to invest right now. I would if you're new, especially if you're new to investing, use those fractional shares, man. Invest, get your feet wet. Invest with $1 here and there, or invest with $1 until you are comfortable and more knowledgeable about what you're doing. And when I say $1, Cash App doesn't have paper trading. You can only use the smallest amount of $1 of a fraction of a share. So, and the same thing, I believe, on Robinhood. I think you can trade with as little as $1. It may be $5. But anyway, check that out. Most of my stocks I'm invested in that I own are down. All of them are down. I'm holding them. I'm not selling any of them. I went into it knowing that I would hold them if we continued on the bear run that we're on, and that's what's going on. So I'm holding, and but I am swing trading. Crypto a lot right now, and day trading. So you will see more crypto videos from me here in the very, very near future. All right. I appreciate all the support, all the love. Y'all have a wonderful rest of the evening. Thank you.